Welcome to the Traders Union channel. I'm Mirhan Hippolito, an expert in Forex and cryptocurrencies. Today, we are talking about an essential topic for every trader, backtesting. What is backtesting? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you've probably heard of backtesting. But what exactly is it? And why do successful traders rely on it so heavily? Let's break it down. Backtesting is the process of testing a trading strategy using historical data. Imagine you've come up with a new strategy and want to know how successful it would have been in the past. Backtesting allows you to simulate the strategy's performance using data from previous years, giving you an idea of the results it might have achieved. Why is backtesting important for traders? Why is backtesting so crucial? Without testing your strategies on historical data, you risk your capital significantly. Backtesting enables you to evaluate potential risks and profitability before you invest real money. On platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the backtesting process is incredibly convenient and accessible. Using the built-in strategy tester, you can assess your strategy's resilience and see how it reacts to different market conditions. How does backtesting work in MetaTrader? Let's take a look at how it works in practice. In MetaTrader, you can load historical data for currency pairs and other instruments, select your strategy, and run tests. The results will show you how much you could have earned or lost if you had used that strategy in the past. One of the key advantages of backtesting in MetaTrader is the ability to customize strategy parameters and see how those changes affect the results. For example, you can test different time frames or adjust stop loss and take profit levels. Key takeaways. To sum up, backtesting is a powerful tool for analyzing and optimizing your trading strategies. If you want to improve your chances of success in the market, don't overlook this essential tool. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful trading tips. This has been Mirhan Hippolito and the Traders Union team. See you in the next episode.